Now that you've submitted your KYC verification information and carefully reviewed the KC guidelines, it's time to register your shipping and return address. First, log into the Wing portal and you should see the screen here. On the left-hand side, scroll down the menu until you reach Seller Information. Click the drop-down. Keep scrolling down. Select Manage Addresses Shipping Information. Click Upload New Address. Make sure you've selected the Shipping Center tab. Enter your relevant information in the blanks. Once you've completed this section, click Register. Now let's register your return information. Please note that Coupang WING does not currently accept international locations as your return center. However, if you don't have a return Korean address, we'll guide you on how to work around this by creating a placeholder Korean address. Just follow the next few steps. If you do have a Korean return address, enter your relevant information instead. First, select Upload New Address again. This time, click Return Center. Enter any relevant address name. Deselect Same as Main Address. Click Search Postcode. Here we're going to enter 05510. Click Search. Select any of the resultant addresses. This will automatically populate the address section. For phone number, we're going to use 02 2621 2664. Don't forget to include the hyphens. For contracted with courier, please select No. Now click Register. Click Confirm. Now you've successfully submitted your shipping and return address information.